Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today guys, I want to teach us how to design a movie poster design in Coredraw. With no further ado, I'm going to open Coredraw now. So as you can see, I have all the pictures I'm working with on the screen, and these are I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 of them, and the title of the movie is Unforgiven, and above here is the color pattern I'm working with. So with no further ado guys, let's go straight down to the order of the day. If this is your first time watching my video, kindly hit the subscribe button so you enjoy and understand my tutorials. So let's go straight down to the tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to be doing on this design is to come here and click on rectangle tools, which is F6. As you can see, so I'm going to draw out my rectangle tools here. That's the first thing. The second thing I'm going to be doing on this design again is to come here and go to bezier tools. Can you see bezier tools? So I'm going to be using my bezier tools here. I want to draw up the shape of what I'm working with. So just stay with me guys. It's a very amazing poster. The feedback I got from this poster is so overwhelming, and that's why I decided to put up the tutorial for you guys to see how I go about it. So I have used my bezier tools to draw out this shape. I'm going to go again, click on bezier tools and draw out the second shape here. Just stay with me guys. I'm going to go again, bezier tools, and draw out the third shape. And lastly, I'm going to go to bezier tools and draw out the last shape I have here. As you can see guys, I have the shape draw out with bezier tools. So the essence of this color pattern I have here, I'm going to be using the color pattern. I'm going to come down here to color eyedropper tools. Can you see it? Color eyedropper tools. So I'm going to click on color eyedropper tools and pick this color here, the first one here, and drop it here. And after that, I go back to my pick tools. I go again to the color eyedropper tools, pick the second color here and drop it here. I do the same thing again, go back to pick tools, go back to my color eyedropper, pick the third color here and drop it here. The same thing again, go back to pick tools and come back and pick the last color here and drop it here. Can you see what we have guys? So the next thing I'm going to do now is to page up this one so the other one can go below it like this. Can you see what I have now? So the next thing I'm going to do now is to remove the outline on them. I'm going to come here this times here and right click on it. So I just successfully removed the outline. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to come here and go to freehand tools. Can you see freehand tools? F5, that's the shortcut. F5, and click here and drop the line here exactly at the edges. And I'm going to come here and give it, let's say 8 is too much. I'm going to come here and give it like 4 and turn it to white. I'm going to do the same thing here also and give it a outline at the edges and come up here and make it thicker like 4 also and give it a white color. Just do with me guys, a very simple design. We are getting there. So after this, don't forget I first draw out the rectangle tools first. So I'm going to be giving the rectangle tools this pattern of color, which is this, but it's kind of, let me make it a bit darker. This is perfect. So you can see the shapes, how beautiful it is, right? So the next thing I'm going to do here, let's arrange the pictures first. So look at the hats, look at the actors I have and the actors. So this is the first person here. I'm going to use this person at these edges here. Let me page up, followed by this person here. Let me page up. That's the arrangement I'm working with, followed by this person here. This is the main character. She's going to be in the middle like this. Let me page it up. Can you see it? Let me adjust this a bit and adjust this also a bit. Just stay with me, guys. It's a very sweet design, followed by the third person here. Let me page it up. This is the third person. Let me make her enter very well and page this one up. Can you see what we have, guys? It's a very sweet design. And this is the last person here, standing by the edges. Let me page it up so you can see what I have. Can you see? So she's going to be below. Let me take this one up. Let me take the one here up. She's going to be below these two of them. So can you see what I have, guys? Just stay with me. It's a very simple design. Very simple design, guys. Just stay with me. Can you see what I have? Getting there. Just stay with me, guys. So this one will go a bit in like this. Then this one can come close. No, it's too close. Like close. I need the face to be a bit visible. She's too inside. She's too inside. If you have not subscribed, guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can see where I'm arranging the pictures. I'm going to use my F10 here to close this one here. So after that, as you can see, the undies is not really aligning. So there's a way I'm going to go about that. Just watch. So I'm going to go here, come here, and pick my rectangle tools, F6, and come like this and give it a black color. I need to close this girl here. She's still showing at the edges. I need to close her up like this. Just stay with me, guys. Okay. So I'm going to give this rectangle tools below here a black color. So that will cover the edges below like this. I need it perfect. Just stay with me, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on my transparent tools here and fade it properly. And fade it properly. Try to fade it in properly. Just watch what I'm doing, guys. Can you see what I'm doing? See the way I fade in the black to fill in the below part. I'm rounding up, guys. So simple design. So this is the title. I'm going to be using this font, Align and Cows. That's the font I'm using. I'm going to give it a white color. It's a very simple poster. And the last and not the least is this one, showing on Coyote Peters TV. See what we have, guys. It's a very simple poster. I use my bezier tools and I use my eye color dropper and I use rectangle tools. These are the few things I used. As you can see, these are the few things I use. It's a very simple design. I'm done with the design, guys. If you have any question, you can drop it on my comment section. I'm going to reply, or you join my WhatsApp community. Don't forget to subscribe so you can watch more of my videos and enjoy my tutorials. As you can see, guys, we are done. Thank you for watching my videos. I really